Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to share access of Jotform file and upload on Google Drive. So here by using Jotform, I have created a form. My objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new form submission through Jotform, then I want to share that file and upload that file on my Google Drive. So here to do this, I need to build a connection between these two applications, for which I am going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Jotform and my action application will be Google Drive. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen.
So in this video, we will understand how to share access of Jotform file and upload on Google Drive. So by using Jotform, I have created a form which also includes an attachment. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through Jotform, then I want to upload the attachment in my Google Drive folder. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as share access of Jotform file and upload on Google Drive, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Jotform Google Drive Automation, because this is an automation including Jotform and Google Drive. Here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow we can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to share access of Jotform file and upload on Google Drive folder. So now in order to automate, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for Jotform as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be new response. So this trigger will start working whenever a new response will be received through Jotform. So now moving to my action window, as I want to upload the file on Google Drive. So over here, I'm going to search for Google Drive as my action application, and the action event will be to upload a file. So over here, I'm going to select it. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is to share the access of Jotform file and upload on Google Drive. So now over here in Pabbly Connect, I will go to my trigger window, and firstly I need to establish a connection between Jotform and Pabbly Connect. So in order to do that, here you can see a webhook URL is given, and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully, because this webhook URL will act as a bridge to connect Jotform with Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to my Jotform account, and I'm going to use this form that I've created as an employee survey form. So I'm going to edit this form. So this here is the form, and now I'm going to build a connection between this form and Pabbly Connect. So in order to do that, I will go to settings. So here in settings, I will go to integrations, and over here in integrations, I'm going to search for webhooks, and here it is. So over here in this add webhook field, I'm going to copy the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect, and over here I'm going to paste it. So once I've added the webhook, I'm going to click on complete integration. And here you can see that it says integration ready. You have successfully created your integration. So once the integration is done, I'm going to publish this form, and now I'm going to open this form in a new tab. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the response could be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So in order to do that, I'm going to fill in this employee survey form and show you that how the details of this form submission will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So here I'm filling in the details. So here are the details. So the department is of marketing. Here I'm going to select it as no. And here I need to upload a happy picture of myself in office. So here I'm going to upload this picture and click on open. And it is successfully uploaded. So here I have filled in this Jotform, and now I'm going to click on submit. So it says, thank you, your submission has been received. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I have received the response. This here is the webhook URL, and over here, this here is the file which I've uploaded. So here is the link for that. And over here, you can see that here are the details of the form submission like phone number, email, full name, and over here is the department. So scrolling down, this here is the name of the Jotform. So over here in Pabbly Connect, in the response which I've received, I've successfully got the form submission details. So the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new response through Jotform, then automatically the form submission details will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So now moving ahead, as I want to upload this file in Google Drive, so in order to do that, I need to establish a connection between Google Drive and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on Connect. And now in order to add a new connection, you just have to sign in with your Google account. So here I'm going to click on Allow, as this is a secure access. And the authorization was successful. So as Google Drive and Pabbly Connect is connected, here I need to mention the URL. So from the response which I have received, I'm going to map the URL. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Jotform, so over here from that response, I'm going to map it. Now moving to the folder ID. So here in Google Drive, I have created a folder by the name of Jotform folder, and over here in the URL after this slash, this here is the folder ID. I'm going to copy it, and here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. Now moving to the file name. So here let's say that I want to keep the file name as dummy user. Here I'm going to mention the last name as well. I've mapped the first name, last name, and after dummy user, I want to mention the form name that was employee survey form. And here I'm going to mention it as response. So this here is the file name that goes as dummy user employee survey form response. So as I've mapped the details in these fields, so this method of mapping is important so that every time I'm going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So in order to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So over here in the response received, you can see it says there is a script error, and over here it says request failed. So that means the response which we have received is not a positive response, and the file is not uploaded in my Google Drive folder as well. So as there is an error in this response, so now to rectify it, I'm going to take you to my Jotform account. And over here in Jotform, I will go to my account settings. And over here in this account settings, I will go to security. So here in privacy, you can see that it says require login to see submissions, require login to view uploaded files. So as in Jotform over here, the permission is not granted. So in order to grant the permission, so I'm going to remove this tick marks. So it says changed successfully. So as I've changed the settings, that means now I no longer have to log in to see the submissions or log in to view the uploaded files. So as I've updated the permissions over here, so here in Pabbly Connect, I'm just going to refresh it once. And now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So over here, you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. So here the result status is success. That means this file would have been uploaded in my Google Drive and folder. So over here, yes, you can see that in my Google Drive folder, a new file is successfully uploaded. So over here, I'm going to open this file. So here you can see that now this file is accessible as well. So over here in Pabbly Connect, this here is a positive response. And to grant access, you just have to change the settings of your account. So you just have to remove the tick mark from these boxes, that is to require login to see submissions and require login to view uploaded files, and the file will be accessible. So as I did that over here, you can see in Pabbly Connect, I've got the positive response and the file is successfully uploaded over here in my Google Drive folder. So this automation is a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new response through Jotform, then the file received through that submission will be uploaded in my Google Drive folder automatically. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.